In this video, I'm going to be driving you down to Emerald Court Estate right from Obinagu Junction. Now, the purpose of this video is to show you the current development happening around Emerald Court Estate and also the current development happening at Obinagu Junction. From the video, you'll see that they are building a flyover that will lead to Enugu Abakaliki Express Road. Now, this particular video will show you also the distance from Obinagu Junction down to Emerald Court Estate, which is a buy and build property that you'll be making your next investment. All you need to do is to sit back and enjoy while I take you on a drive to Emerald Court Estate. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults, and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So today I'm at Emerald Court Estate, located at Akwa Oganike. So it is very close to the Enugu International Airport, and it's close to Obinagu flyover. Now, this particular estate is just 20 minutes drive away from Enugu, and it's just 3 minutes drive away from Obinagu junction. So you can see this is we have over 100 and something plots right here, and we are selling at a discounted price of 10 million naira for the first 10 persons that would buy Emerald Court Estate. Now the sweet thing is that we've gotten up to 5 persons that have subscribed, so this slot is just remaining for 5 other persons, and you can be that 5 lucky person that will be part of people that will take this particular estate for 10 million naira. Now you can see we are already starting our gatehouse right here. You can see houses are around this particular estate. Now from the video I posted before, I told you guys that it's not far from the main town. So this is actually a buy and build, a complete house, a complete land that you can use, that you can build your house and have peace of mind. Now when you buy from us, we allocate you. Now the sweet thing is that this place comes with a global CFO, right? It comes with global CFO, and when you buy, we give you a deed of assignment and a registered survey plan. Now note that in that 10 million naira, every other documentation is inclusive, so you don't need to pay any extra fee. So all you have to do is to call me today so that I can bring you here. I came in with some investors that want to key into this particular play. I told you it's just 5 slots remaining. So if this investor takes one, it will be remaining 4, and we just have few days to the end of December. So all you have to do is to make sure to call me today so that we can purchase this building, this particular property. See, there are houses here, so let's go. So like I said before, Emerald Court Estate is a complete buy and build estate. As you can see, we started the perimeter fencing, we started the gatehouse, and we want to start up the allocation for those clients that bought from us. And even if you want to build your house immediately, we'll have to do a physical allocation for you. So all you need to do is to call us today, because we just have 4 slots available. Yeah, we just have 4 slots available, and as you all know, it's not far from the main Enugu town. So all you have to do today is to call Josh Consults for purchase and booking of this particular estate. Thank you.